is typing message. Talking with Ali. Thank you, Lavis boy. Nawala na yung murang kape ay. I use mask because I'm coughing. Ano to? Murang kape. Okara is so happy. SP Berry, where you stop? I want to buy fish. Hi, Pretty from Lavis Boy. Ayan. It's waiting for you. It's waiting for you for 2 days, Pretty. Hi, Shashin. Shashin. Where is Shashin? Shashin. Lavis boy, where where were you? Where were you? I'm in the market, just gonna buy fish. Hi, Shashin. Shashin, he's an. Look at the fish here. I'm going to buy fish. This is your favorite fish, right? I'm in the market. Wait, this Filipino fish, tilapia. Milk fish, very expensive. Brother, how much this one? Huh? This 2 dinar. I want the tilapia. This Filipino fish, guys. 1 kilo. Yeah, brother, just only. Huh? Small only. 1 kilo. Yeah. That is 1 kilo. And just clean it, huh? Don't cut. Thank you. Huh? Yeah. This from India? It's from India also. I was not well, Shashin. Shashin. Lavis boy name is Shashin. Ah, Lavis boy. Ikaw pala si Shashin kagabi. Shashin, you gave me yesterday, you sent me a super sticker, yeah? You're the one that won, Shashin? What happened to you? Fever Shashin. Ask him his state. He's cleaning. He's cleaning fish. You will now. You say this man, Jay Serira. I feel shy because already he's working in the market. Yeah, better now. What many fish? Yeah, many fish. This one. Yesterday I have Sashin. He came in my live. You are that one Lavis boy? He didn't come.